Hi, welcome back to the channel, everyone, and more importantly, welcome back to the third episode of 0 Points Challenge, a series, a new series that I think it's safe to say hasn't really been a success in terms of achieving what I set out to do. It's been very entertaining, I'm sure, but hasn't. Yeah, I'm not good at it. I'm not good at geometry, as one of you kindly pointed out. You didn't quite word it like that, but yeah, your heart was in the right place. I'm not very good at geometry, it seems, and the way that the map is represented, the way that the Earth is represented on a rectangular map has clearly bamboozled me. But I think now that this is the time that I'm going to get it right. And the deciding moment was clicking in the Galapagos Islands. Yeah, stop laughing. It's not funny. I clicked in the Galapagos Islands, which not only isn't inhabited, apparently, unlike Greenland, which is definitely inhabited by 50,000 people, 52,000 people. But yeah, it was way further away. Sorry, it was way closer than the tip of Argentina, which is what I was going to go for. Can we put that behind us and get the job done? Here we go. Okay, round one. Got an incredibly smooth road here in front of us. Are we driving on the left or the right? Hard to tell at the moment because the only signs we can see are straddling both sides. I think we're in America, but yeah, it looks very sort of eastern, foothills of Appalachian, very Farmville kind of place. Anyone remember Farmville? Very sort of 2009 Facebook fad that everyone got into. In fact, I need to harvest my crops. That reminds me. Anyway, yeah, so if we're in the USA, let's remember what you kind folk have taught me. Go the other side of the equator, preferably, a sort of equal distance. So I'm thinking that South Africa might be sufficient here. So I'm going to go for South Africa, but I'll go for Port Shepstone. For anyone from there, I'll go there. Big up Port Shepstone. See what that brings us. Brilliant. Didn't get any points. 8869. Could have been, could be further away there. I mean, these islands would be perfect, but I've kind of abandoned them since some of you said they're not actually inhabited. So I've abandoned those, much like the explorers that once discovered them, the French explorers. So, yeah, no points for the first round. Excellent. Do think I've got the hang of this. After much effort and much failure, really. This is looking like Spain. It is. I can't annoyingly see any of those three signs because I'm not allowed to move. But it does look like Spain. No real evidence other than my experience getting Spain perfect scores not too long ago. So I'll go for Spain. And I'll go for good old Fiji, I suppose. Yeah. Naddy. How about that? It was Spain. Where were we then? Right by Portugal. In a little place called Fermoselle. No, that's terrible pronunciation. Fermoselle. Fermoselle? Thank you. Thank you. I thought that was good as well. So yeah, that's brilliant. Brilliant guesswork, really, to guess Spain. Let's carry on. Japan. Got to be Japan. Billions of wires straddling the sky. Look at that. That is a mess. A ceiling of wires. You would not want to land. If you were in a parachute, you certainly wouldn't want to land in Japan. Don't land. Yeah, you get fried. Wow. Let's go for... Oh, wow. Korea. We're actually in Korea. That's very useful. Unless we've just got a Korean expat who's extremely proud and bold. But yeah, Korea. So where is Where can we go? This is a new one. I've never had Korea before, I don't think. So I'm thinking to go for the Falkland Islands. That's where I'm going to go. There might be a better selection I could make, but I'll go for Green Patch Falklands. Excellent. And I think that is actually about as far as you can get, isn't it? Yeah, maybe down here somewhere would be the ultimate guess, but I'm pretty pleased with that. 11,440. We move on. We're getting ever closer to our goal of 0 points on world. The first documented human being to ever achieve this. But it's not over yet. Now, where are we here? Thinking USA. We've got the double yellow lines. Classic USA. We've got a farm silo here, or a water tower, or whatever it is. Yeah, I'm thinking we're sort of, Illinois, Michigan, Wisconsin, something like that. Maybe somewhere completely different to those places, but I think we're in the USA nonetheless. So where shall I go this time? I think I'm going to go for Madagascar because it's sufficiently the other side of the equator, but it's even further east rather than South Africa. So I'll go Reunion. See if that's one better. St. Denis. Excellent. 9774. It's, the east and west is increased, so I was pretty confident about that. And if you were to swing it round in a circle, you'd be further than South Africa. That's one way to look at it. Or is it? I don't know. Right. Where are we now? 5th round. Final round. This is it, guys. And I'm glad I'm allowed to scroll. That'd be a good one, wouldn't it? No moving, scrolling, or zooming. 0 score. That's one for the future. But this is not over yet because, well, this is tough. I mean, there's a chance we could be in North America, although I doubt it. But there's also a very strong chance we're in Europe. That's where I think we probably are. But because there's not much here by way of, road signs or buildings or anything, or cars, or, yeah, we haven't got much clues, and it opens up the possibility here of me getting this wrong. I mean, could we be in somewhere like New Zealand? I don't know. Probably not, as I say, but I think I'm going to have to go for Europe here because this kind of tiled brickwork road is something you'd get in the Netherlands, something like that. So I'm just going to have to. And the trees, I mean, I don't know really, guys. They do look quite European. I'm going to have to go for Europe, even though I'm not fully happy with it. So I wonder if there's anywhere that's equally as far from both New Zealand and Europe. If I go for the tip of Argentina, it's kind of pointless because that's close enough to Argentina there, I think, to get points. So that's out the question. I'm trying to think where else there might be. Nowhere, I don't think. I'm going to go for New Zealand then. And then if it is New Zealand, it's just like catastrophically wrong and you can all laugh at me. So I'll go for Hanmer Springs. Excellent. Oh, thank God for that. That's over. And we were in the Netherlands. As predicted. Wow. View summary then. Look at that. What a mess. What a mess that is. Ugh, that's horrible. But actually, quite a nice view, considering what I've been trying to do. That's what you want, isn't it? Big, long, massive streaks. This one, the first one, was actually the closest one. The bravest guess, I suppose. But yeah, that's put that to bed, guys. But on a lighter note, 0 points challenge with no moving, scrolling, or zooming. And can you imagine combined with 10 seconds? I mean, I think that's completely impossible. But maybe 20 seconds or 30 seconds is more realistic. But yeah, as always, thanks for viewing my wonderful videos, and I'll see you soon. Ta-ra for a bit.